Have you ever watched a movie in English, turned off the subtitles, and suddenly it felt like the actors started speaking an alien language? You know the words, you've studied the grammar. But when a native speaker opens their mouth, it just sounds like a blur of noise. Most students think the solution is to listen more, so they spend hours watching Netflix or listening to podcasts, hoping that eventually their ears will just pop open. But here is the hard truth supported by linguistic research. Passive listening is one of the slowest ways to improve. Today, I'm going to show you a specific 5-minute active listening hack that will rewire how your brain processes sound. We are moving from guessing to decoding. Welcome to the English Beat. I'm Sarah, and today, we stop missing words forever. Let's get into it. First, we need to understand the enemy. Why is it that you can read a sentence perfectly, but you can't hear it? It's because of a phenomenon linguists call connected speech. In school, you learned English like a robot. What do you want to do? 6 distinct words. But in reality, a native speaker uses elision, deleting sounds, and assimilation, blending sounds. That sentence becomes, what you wanna do. Note, pronounce as what cha wanna do. Research from the Journal of Phonetics suggests that your brain isn't missing the vocabulary. It's failing to recognize the word boundaries. Your brain is looking for the pause between words. But in English, those pauses often don't exist. So if you keep listening to hours of audio without training your brain to hear these links, you're just reinforcing the confusion. You need a drill that forces your brain to identify the links. That is where the 5-minute micro-dictation comes in. This technique is based on intensive listening. We aren't trying to understand the general idea. We are trying to catch every single syllable. Here is the routine. You only need 5 minutes, a pen, paper, and a clip of audio. Step 1. The selection. Find a video on YouTube, maybe a TED Talk or a vlog, where there are quality subtitles available. Do not pick a 20-minute video. You only need 30 seconds of audio. Yes, just 30 seconds. Step 2. The blind listen. Play the 30-second clip at normal speed. No subtitles. Your goal here is just the gist. What is the topic? If you only catch 20%, that's fine. Do not panic. Step 3. The micro-listen. Now, play the first 5 seconds of that clip. Pause it. Write down exactly what you heard. Even if it's just a guess. Even if it's just sounds. If you heard iduno, write iduno. Don't try to fix the grammar yet. Repeat this for the full 30 seconds. Listen, pause, write. This is where the magic happens. This is called the gap effect. You are forcing your brain to identify exactly where your hearing fails. Step 4. The diagnostics. Turn on the subtitles. Compare what you wrote to the actual script. Use a red pen. Circle the words you missed. Now ask yourself, why did I miss it? Did you not know the word? That's a vocabulary problem. Did you know the word but didn't hear it? That is a listening problem. Usually, you'll see that you missed a word because it was glued to another word. You'll realize that for A sounded like Farah. Now that you've analyzed the gap, you have 1 final minute left. You need to bridge the gap between your ear and your mouth using a technique called shadowing. Shadowing is simple imitation. Play that same 30-second clip again. This time, read the subtitles along with the speaker and try to match their speed exactly. If they blend what do you into whatche, you say whatche. By mimicking the speed and the linking, you are teaching your brain that these sounds are valid. Research shows that production aids perception. If you can say the connected speech, you will hear it much faster next time. I know what you're thinking. Sarah, 30 seconds? That's nothing! But think about the intensity. In these 5 minutes, you have focused 100% of your attention on the mechanics of the language. With the 5-minute hack, you are training your brain to stop tuning out. Do this once a day. Just 5 minutes. After 1 month, you will have decoded the most common connected speech patterns in the English language. It's not about the hours you put in, it's about the focus you apply. Stop worrying about catching every word in a 2-hour movie. Start by catching every word in a 30-second clip. Master the little pieces, and the big picture will take care of itself. Try this hack today. Pick a video, grab a pen, and let me know in the comments. What is one word you always miss when listening? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next lesson on speaking like a native. I'm Sarah. This is the English Beat, and I'll see you in the next one.